let's start with our Asian ginger vinaigrette. So the ingredients are extra virgin olive oil, tamari, sesame oil, rice vinegar, minced ginger, agave, and some sea salt, as well as half of a lemon to use the zest from. And of course we have our measuring cups. I'm going to build this salad right in a jar, so you don't even have to have a blender or anything for this unless you're using fresh ginger, and then you might want to blend it up a little bit because it's a little more coarse. I'm going to cheat a little bit and use minced ginger in a jar. Okay, let's get started. Since I'm using the fiery toasted sesame oil, I'm going to go a little lighter and do a half a tablespoon. Zest from 1/2 lemon. Be sure to use organic. So how about a little taste test of our Asian ginger vinaigrette? Smells divine. Taste it. Delicious. And of course, guys, you can double up the recipe. This is just for about 2 to 3 servings. Just double up the recipe is all. You can add less oil or you can add more.